Today, I am reviewing the DREO 110-Pint Smart Dehumidifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The most important thing to understand about this machine is its sheer capacity. It is rated for up to 110 pints of moisture removal per day, which puts it firmly in the category of heavy-duty units. For a smaller bedroom or a typical bathroom, this is honestly overkill, but for a 4,500 square foot basement or a very humid open living space, it is exactly the kind of power you need to see a real difference. It is designed to cycle through air rapidly, aiming to reduce humidity levels by up to 45% within an hour, which is a fairly aggressive rate of operation. One of the big selling points for the DREO is its efficiency, which is a critical consideration if you're planning on running this thing 24/7 during the summer months. It is engineered to remove more moisture per kilowatt hour than even the current Energy Star standards require. In real terms, this means you're going to see a smaller impact on your monthly electric bill compared to older, less efficient units. A dehumidifier is a piece of equipment that works in the background constantly, so that efficiency really does add up over the course of a year. If you have been hesitant to buy a high-capacity dehumidifier because of the potential energy costs, this is a much more economical way to handle the problem. The control system is where the smart in the smart dehumidifier actually comes into play. You have three distinct modes: comfort, auto, and continuous. Auto mode is the one most people will use, where you simply set the target humidity percentage, and the machine does the rest. The high-precision sensor is quite good at keeping the humidity within a 5% window of your target. If you prefer to use your phone, the DREO app allows you to monitor real-time humidity, set schedules, and use timers from anywhere in the house. It even integrates with Alexa and Google Home, which is a nice touch if you're already set up with a smart home ecosystem. Dealing with the water collection is a point of contention with many dehumidifiers, but here you get a 2-gallon tank. Having that much capacity means you can leave the unit running for about 8 hours without having to manually empty it. However, if you are tackling a very damp space, you're going to be emptying that tank more than once a day. That is why the dual drainage system is so useful. You can use the internal tank if you have to place the unit away from a drain, but it comes with a hose attachment for continuous drainage. If you have a floor drain in your basement, I highly recommend using the hose. It makes the entire dehumidification process completely hands-off. The safety features are comprehensive, which is refreshing for a device that is essentially a large, high-capacity electrical appliance. It is ETL certified, it has a 90-degree tilt safety shutoff, and it includes robust thermal and overcurrent protection. This means you don't have to worry about leaving it running unattended. It is also worth noting that it handles colder temperatures quite well thanks to its auto-defrost cycle that kicks in when the ambient temperature drops to around 41 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a common failure point for many dehumidifiers, as they tend to ice up when the air gets too cool, so it is good to see that DREO has addressed this with a proper software-driven defrost system. However, let's be honest about the limitations and the reality of using a unit like this. While the 110-pint rating is impressive, it is important to remember that these numbers are usually achieved under very specific, high-temperature, high-humidity conditions. In a real-world home environment, you might not always hit those maximum numbers, but it will still be a very capable machine. The size of the unit is also something to consider. It is substantial. You're not going to tuck this away on a shelf or hide it behind a plant. It is a functional appliance that takes up a fair amount of floor space, and you need to ensure you have decent airflow around it for it to operate at peak efficiency. The noise level is another factor that can be subjective. While it isn't deafening, a high-capacity compressor is always going to produce some sound. In a basement, it won't matter, but if you are trying to place this in a home office or near a bedroom, you're going to hear it. It is not something you want to sit right next to while you're trying to concentrate or sleep. It is best placed in a central area or in the room that requires the most moisture removal, rather than being dragged from room to room. If you are a renter or someone who has to move frequently, the unit's weight might be a bit of a burden. It is well-built and sturdy, but it is not exactly light. If you have to move it between different floors, you're going to feel it. It is much better suited to being placed in one location and left there for the season. The app connectivity is stable, but for some people, it might be more than they need. If you are not tech-savvy, you can absolutely operate this unit using just the physical control panel. It is straightforward, easy to understand, and does not force you to go through a setup process if you don't want to. It is nice to have the smart features, but they are entirely optional. When you weigh everything up, does it feel worth the money? If you are struggling with a musty basement, constant condensation on your windows, or the feeling of heavy, damp air that seems to encourage mold growth, then yes, this is a very effective solution. It isn't cheap, but you're paying for the capacity and the efficiency. You aren't just buying a box with a fan. You are buying a piece of climate control equipment that is going to save you money on electricity and protect your home from moisture damage in the long run. The build quality feels reassuring. It doesn't feel like a flimsy piece of plastic that is going to crack after a few months. The intake and exhaust vents are well designed, and the filter is easy to remove for regular cleaning. Regular cleaning of that filter is, by the way, the most important bit of maintenance you can do. If you let the dust build up on the intake, the efficiency drops significantly, and the compressor has to work much harder, which can lead to premature failure. If you take 5 minutes once a month to wash that filter out and let it dry, you will extend the life of this machine significantly. What type of person should avoid this? If you live in a very dry climate or have a very small, well-ventilated apartment, this is definitely too much machine for you. You would be better served by a smaller, lower wattage unit. Also, if you are looking for something that is whisper quiet, you need to remember that dehumidifiers involve compressors and high airflow fans. They are never going to be silent. If you are extremely sensitive to noise, you might find any dehumidifier frustrating, no matter how good it is at removing moisture. The DREO 711S is a serious piece of kit for someone who has a serious moisture problem. It excels in the areas that matter most: power, efficiency, and ease of use. It takes the guesswork out of humidity control, and the ability to set a target level and walk away is a huge benefit for anyone who has better things to do than babysit a machine. The connectivity, while a nice-to-have, is surprisingly well implemented and does not feel like a buggy, half-baked addition. If you have a basement that you want to turn into a living space, or a home that has been struggling with high humidity, this is an excellent, reliable, and well-thought-out option. It does exactly what it is supposed to do, and it does it efficiently enough that it won't break the bank on your monthly energy bill. Just ensure you have the space for it, keep the filter clean, and try to use the continuous drainage if you can, and you will find that it is one of those appliances that truly makes your home a more comfortable place to live. It is an honest, powerful, and capable machine that hits the right balance between smart technology and essential functionality.